Hello viewers, welcome back to Yalnidhi channel. Today we are going to learn about how to convert the mobile number without this +91 or country code or any other numbers. So usually whenever you get a mobile number from through Google Forms or Google Sheet, someone may write like this, and it is really difficult to convert each and every mobile numbers to the required 10 digit mobile numbers. Let us see how to convert this. So you can see here I have a mobile numbers like this, and I will convert the numbers to the required 10 digit mobile numbers. Let us see how to convert this. So now I am deleting these numbers. So here the required mobile number is the last 10 digits. Am I right? So enter equal, type, write. You can see here the formula is here. Double click and select the cell which you need. Press comma, and you know that the last 10 digits is your mobile number. Am I right? So enter 10 and close the bracket and press enter. You can see that the +91 is eliminated and the mobile number is came here. You just drag this, you can see the plus symbol. Is it clear? You can get your numbers like this. Okay, what else if I need this number with +91? I have the solution. See, if I enter +91, a space, the mobile number, you can see I have entered it. If I press enter, it will say some dialog box like this. If I click on yes, it will convert to a general form. So it will be hard to read it as a mobile number. Okay, what else if I press +91 and 95 like this? You can see again it is very hard to know the mobile number. So the solution is, now I am going to delete it. Click on the cell, right click, go to format cells, click on custom. You can see in the right side there is a word general. Select it and delete it. Enter +91. If I need to have a space, and you know that there is 10 digits of mobile numbers, so enter 10 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So the format will be +91 and 10 digits. This is the format I need. Click on OK. So the format will be converted. So now I am going to type the mobile number alone. I will not type +91. Okay. So I am going to type the mobile number 95959595 and 95. I am going to press enter button. See, it is converted. So I have not typed the +91. I just entered the mobile number alone. It will comes with this +91, the country code, our Indian country code. So again, we shall do once again. So right click on format cells, go to custom, select the general and delete it, +91. If I need an hyphen here, I am going to enter it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 digits are here. Click on OK. Now I am going to enter the mobile number as 85, 85, 85, 85, 85. So see here I have used a minus symbol so that it is came with that. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to Yalnidhi channel. Click like if you like this video, comment and share. Thank you for watching.